Now, Oga Patakpata will be commissioner for police for today. Will be say you don't carry waka come. One of the lounges and club and housing and hospitality for Benin. When it be say you can't choke like for this place today. And this one are the first time with the see commissioner of police. They join body, they collabo, they put legs for lounges, club to come do proper recommendation. Say this place not be just be now bad people they come this place now the place for enjoyment. How you see how protection go there for these lounges for Edo State?
Yeah, I want people to come to feel free to come and enjoy themselves here, and that is why they come identify myself here. Where people can feel free after their hard day's work. And like I talked before, even me at my own free time, I did ready to come and enjoy with you guys here. So all law-abiding people, I beg, make una come here, feel free, enjoy yourself. But like I said, law-abiding. Thank you.
You don't took man from one place, you would be say law-abiding. What will be the protection for these people when they come this place, when they begin to enjoy? Because some people believe, say, when they go out to go enjoy, when it reach 7, 8 o'clock, they don't begin fear, say, the city not come again. What will be your effort so fast? You did this state today, where you go begin to give these people for protection. Because when they begin to open their business center, people they can't enjoy, they pay tax, they pay interest, they show interest, and they see the way this one go well. What will be your contribution for this matter?
Yeah, I want people to feel free. After you had day's work, go to anywhere you want to go, like this place, you enjoy yourself. I want to tell you one thing, any country, any city where people know they enjoy their night life is a dull place. We want people to feel free, enjoy yourself. After that, you go home and relax. Meanwhile, I keep on saying it, all law-abiding citizens.
Oga Adegboye, I don't want to ask you many questions because now the small chance when you get that you work on this place. So, and I believe say everybody where they this community, they very happy to see you for this place. And the people where they this place since they just say to you, they begin they run, they go back. When they go discover, say you must see the place. Whether not the place where people say now where the highs they see, and when you see the place, you can see and say now where people fit they come, they relax. As you come to this place today, now so you extend out to other areas for the city, may they be enjoy. But I will carry my worker enter the MD of this place. What did he get to commend you for coming to this place today?
I want to thank CP Funsho Adegboye. Not be anybody who else come out from your office say you want to see your business place. Make it ensure say the place is safe for customers to come to enjoy. We really commend the effort. Right from the day when he come. I know cut is wahala they happen for town that day. I think I saw him that very first day at the hotel. They never even get in accommodation when he permanently stay. You know, you talk about the effort when you want to bring come this state to ensure, say, courtism, no go they make people they fear to go out, go enjoy. And I believe say, since when you don't come now, the courtis wala when they grant the day when you come, don't reduce. You understand? And he's still working hard on it. That is what he told me as well. And he come here when I tell him, say, see as this place be, people are afraid. When they see police, they go they run. He say, no, police now our friend.
Please, you guys feel free.
Hello.
How are you?
Experience is making okay, sir.
Close the door, close the door, close the door.
Where's the please, operation manager?
Enjoy yourself,
Come. Commissioner of Police wants to greet everybody.
Just enjoy yourself, right?
So people will never believe say police now our friend now. I believe say now they don't say police now our friend. That's why he come here to ensure say you see customers when they run. He call them say come back. We're not come here come arrest people. Come here come let you know say police they here to protect people. If you come here come enjoy, eat, drink, lodge. Not be say police will come go carry you go station just because you want to collect big bail money. No, police don't be like that. Police now our friend. Now for our protection, now make them day there. I thank you, Oga,
and
for
we
coming
want to
here.
assure you, we are here to protect you. The time you want to come and spend here, please make no fear. Enjoy yourself, but I keep on saying something, law abiding, please. Thank you so much.
Police now our friend. We go let you know say Police now our friend Oga Patakpata Adegboye, when he be the commissioner for police, when they are assigned to Edo State, when he don't begin to fraternize with people to make people get mind cooler, to make some persons where be say when you see police go they run they go, he let them understand and say the police not be for fear, police not to protect you where they run they go. So where you they run they go, now police they there to protect you. He stand Girigba for this place, he join body for this matter, he let everybody understand. Say he be like say I want to begin praise you. That he as commissioner of police, now the first time they see somebody like this where they chest out to say Edo youth not fear, but not indulge for rubbish, courtesan, Mayama, Tiffy Jankoriko matter, not put yourself join am. He saying go dashuna in your number, even as in the year. Una go begin the call am. If they answer call, you know they give PA. He go answer the call. If na text message or WhatsApp number, he go give una. Make una begin the tester. Make una not even say, I want greet you. How you day? You sleep well. You don't eat. You don't bath. You don't wake. I never see where person carry phone for a year. You dey answer say you don't wake. He say go give una number now. Oh yeah now.
070 3737 6464. 070 37 37 64 64.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.